Hello YouTube, today's Jack Moss is here today just to be showing you another squad builder on Foothead. This is going to be a 5 million coins England team, so hopefully you can enjoy. Okay, in goal is Joe Hart. No, not him. Hart. Centre back is Cahill. Team of season. Right back is Gary Neville, the legend. Centre back is team of season Terry. Left back is team of season Baines. Leighton Baines. Right mid is Raheem Sterling. Centre mid is Gerrard. Centre mid is Lallana. Left mid is Jay Rodriguez in form. Striker is Rooney. And Sturridge. As you see guys, these are really good. Joe Hart with 87 diving, 89 reflexes. Gary Cahill has got 88 heading, that is just a beast, and 85 defending. Gary Neville, ex-Man United player, 80 pace, 84 defending. John Terry, the former England captain, 93 defending, 92 heading. Leighton Baines, he's got 84 dribbling, 84 heading, and 80 defence, and 86 passing, 84 pace, and 83 shot. That's just really good. They're really good all-round stats on Leighton Baines there. Sterling has got 95 pace, 90 dribbling, 80 shot, and 78 passing. So, yep. On Steven Gerrard, it is 92 shot, 92 passing, 85 dribbling. There's best stats. Lallana, 90 dribbling, 87 shot, 84 pace. That's really good. Right, guys, this is the highlight. I think he's the best in this whole team. Jay Rodriguez, he plays for Aston Villa. No, Southampton. He's got 86 pace. He's got 80 dribbling. And yeah, 86 pace for silver. Alright, and then now Daniel Sturridge up front. He's got 93 pace, 90 dribbling, 89 shot. That's incredible. Then it's 92 Wayne Rooney. I think he's like one of the best as well. He's got 93 shot, 90 passing, 87 dribbling, and then 86 heading. So guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video can come useful for you. This team is worth 4,924,000. So guys, hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.